Digestion. Digestion is the process by which our body breaks down the food we eat into smaller molecules that can be absorbed and used for energy, growth, and repair. The digestive system, also known as the alimentary canal, is made up of these 8 important organs. The mouth. Digestion starts here, where the teeth grind food into smaller pieces and mix the food with salvia. Salvia contains an enzyme called amylase that breaks down carbohydrates. Enzymes are special proteins that speed up chemical reactions in the body. In digestion, enzymes break down large food molecules into smaller, more manageable pieces. The esophagus. This is a muscular tube that moves food from the mouth to the stomach through rhythmic contractions called peristalsis. The stomach. The stomach muscles churn food, mixing it with gastric juices containing hydrochloric acid and protease. This turns the food into a semi-liquid called chyme and starts the breakdown of proteins. The small intestine. The duodenum, which is the first part of the small intestine, is where most chemical digestion occurs. Here, enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver are added to the chyme. Pancreatic enzymes, amylase, protease, and lipase, continue breaking down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Bile emulsifies fats, breaking them into smaller droplets that lipase can act on more efficiently. The walls of the small intestine have tiny finger-like projections called villi and microvilli that increase the surface area for absorption. Nutrients pass through these walls into the bloodstream. The liver and gallbladder. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder until needed. Bile helps digest fats. The pancreas produces enzymes and bicarbonate, which neutralizes the stomach acid, providing an optimal environment for enzyme action in the small intestine. The large intestine, or colon, absorbs water and salts from the remaining indigestible food matter, turning it into solid waste, feces. Rectum. The rectum stores feces until they are expelled from the body through the anus. Food doesn't actually pass through the liver or the pancreas, but they are still important organs for digestion. The liver makes a liquid called bile, which breaks fats into tiny droplets. This makes it easier for the fat molecules to be broken down further by enzymes. The bile is stored in the gallbladder. From the gallbladder, the bile is squirted into the small intestine. The bile is alkaline to give the right pH for the enzymes in the small intestine. The pancreas contains glandular tissue, which makes these 3 enzymes: protease, which digests proteins, carbohydrase, which digests carbohydrates, and lipase, which digests lipids. These enzymes are released into the small intestine to help break down the food there.